use throughout World War II. It has a very noted history that we're going to talk about later today. Take a close look as he comes from your left. On short final, great look at that landing gear and how the flaps configure on that airplane. Such a beautiful airframe as he touches down expertly on the main gear. Lets the airspeed bleed off. And then watch there as Dan gently lets the tail wheel settle. And that big Allison V12 engine begins to slow down. I don't know. What can we do to get him down here? I know. With the runway. All right, folks, cross your fingers. Here we go.
Oh,
hell, he's So we got those two aircraft, submarines, and countless thousands of ground vehicles. Ladies and gentlemen, over the top is your camera opportunity. Tackles from the Japanese aircraft carriers, Tora, and soaring action. At Wheeler Field, Lieutenant Philip Rasmussen woke to the sound of bombs, jumping out of bed, strapping on a .45 caliber pistol over his purple pajamas. Ran to a working Curtiss P-36 Hawk. He was joined by 4 more P-36 pilots, Louis Sanders, Harry Brown, Gordon Sterling, and Malcolm to land in Wheeler Field, which is near the center of the island. They refueled and reloaded with 30 and 50 caliber ammo and took off once again to fight the Japanese. The two battle. These two pilots caught up with the Japanese close to Pearl Harbor. They field ready to reach the zeros. Valves and cake for almost an hour. Then came the second wave of an additional 171 aircraft. Continued striking, bombing and dropping of torpedoes. Yet another 7. 5 of our battleships, the Oklahoma, California, Nevada, West Virginia, and the Utah. These capes were specially equipped with shallow-running torpedoes, specifically designed for the attack at Pearl Harbor. You see, the shallow water at Pearl Harbor would not allow the use of a normal, deep-running torpedo, which leaves no question that this was a well-thought-out plan. They were converted to aerial bombs. These planes dived down into the Nevada and Arizona. Pounds of gunpowder. Sailors on the Nevada watched in horror as the Arizona jumped 20 feet in the air and broke in two, forever entrapping 1,178 American servicemen coming from the mainland finally arrived and were immediately attacked by the Zeros. Unfortunately, all of the confusion B-17s were shot at by friend and by foe. The frightened crews landed wherever they could place to land. Amazingly, 8 of the 12 B-17s actually made it to Lincoln Field. Into their P-40s. Unfortunately, Japanese Zeros appeared at the same time and started strafing runs. One P-40 pilot was killed as he stepped in left, ladies and gentlemen, one last time to get these beautiful Tora aircraft. The combat ace raised right here in Texas. So as the P-40 continues to make passes, take a good look at the spectacular. The first to down a zero with a P-51. Although Hill was credited with destroying 18 enemy aircraft, He returned to the U.S. and took command of the 412 Fighter Group, America's first operational jet fighter group, flying the P-50 Comet and the P-80 Shooting Star. You see the paint scheme that he used in China on this aircraft today. We had to ramp up production and build and train all of those airmen and all of those support personnel to get in there. So if these aircraft come and taxi in, when they get out of the aircraft, be sure to wave and holler at them, and I know they'll make their way over to the crowd line and come say hi to you as well. But with one more great look as Dan sits down the P-40 Warhawk on the runway, you watch the main gear touch, and he lets the airspeed lead and gradually lets the tail wheel continue to steer with the weather panels in the rudder as he moves in. Anniversary for this airshow as well as at the museum. The mention is to share the history of military aviation through flight restoration and preservation. They will gladly accept your donation of time or monetary donation at TexasAirMuseum.org. There's so many sponsors that have helped us put this airshow on. We're so grateful for all of their support. And those include Alpha Public Adjusters, Alpha Media, AbFuel, Bobby Livingston Baseball and Softball Facility in Lubbock, Texas. You can learn more about them at BobbyLivingstonBaseball.com. We have Captured Memories, organizing your photos and home movies one bite at a time. Chisholm Resources. We have ESST, providing security since 2000. Driving around here today, we're committed to customer satisfaction. We are your power sports dealer in Lubbock, Odessa, San Angelo, and Austin, Texas. We provide sales and professional service and repair. We also have the Fat Tire Cowboys based right here. Russ is the creative driving force behind the Fat Tire Cowboys. It's his unique mix of aviation, comedy, and cowboy culture that represents the Fat Tire Cowboys brand. Flytex Aviation, Airline Support Services in Seminole, Texas. Gene Messer Toyota.